You want to change out the worn factory Corolla wipers and worried you might break something. Your instincts were right to stop because the Toyota Corolla factory wipers aren't easy to remove like most. In today's quick video, we'll go over the tool needed in the process, then follow up with some bonus footage showing how to use my favorite wet driving product on the market. Okay, here we are, stupidly changing the wipers as clouds move in and lightning cracks. Grab a screwdriver and lift up the arm. Place the tip of the screwdriver in this slot and lift up. A piece will hinge upwards and allow the wiper blade frame to slide upwards and off the arm. Lower the arm back down slowly. Don't let go and have it clamp down on your glass. The wiper replacements are size 28 for the driver's side and 14 for the passenger side. Moving to the other wiper, repeat the process.
Oh my gosh.
With new wipers, I highly recommend adding RainX as part of your wet driving condition strategy. This product makes water bead up and slide off the glass so quickly. It really makes your wipers more effective in clearing water from the glass when it's raining. Apply RainX to a paper towel. Rub the RainX into clean glass in a circular motion. Work in small areas until a haze forms on the glass. Get your microfiber towel out and wipe off the haze of the glass. Here's a little footage showing how quickly the water beads on the windshield. The effect is far greater when you're driving and wind combines to rip the water off the windshield, giving you the best visibility possible. As mentioned earlier, we've linked all the items in the video description below. Which, by the way, if you click on one of those links and buy something, shortly after I might get a small kickback at no cost to you. Also, there's a way to help small creators like myself via the super thanks button below the video. And lastly, it wouldn't be a video from the internet if I didn't ask you to hit the subscribe button. At least my pleading was at the end of the video, so you didn't have to sit through that before getting the information you came for. Regardless of what you may or may not do, I appreciate your time.